Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a VW Golf Mk5 wing mirror. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry off various parts without causing damage. Make sure you have a set of Torx bits, specifically T10, T20, and T30 sizes. A flathead screwdriver and a magnetic driver will also come in handy. And of course, have your new wing mirror assembly ready. Now, let's begin by disassembling the old mirror. Gently pry off the mirror glass, starting from the bottom edge using your plastic trim tool. Once the glass is loose, carefully disconnect the two heated mirror wires. These are usually red and blue. Next, remove the mirror cap by releasing its two clips. Then, unscrew the three T10 Torx screws that secure the mirror motor, and finally, disconnect the motor's electrical wiring. To access the main mirror assembly, you will need to remove the door panel. Start by unscrewing the four T25 Torx screws, then carefully pry off the panel clips. Disconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cable. Next, remove the small triangle trim piece near the mirror, which is held by one T20 Torx screw. Finally, unscrew the three T30 Torx bolts that secure the mirror assembly to the door frame, and carefully pull the entire unit away. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install your new one. First, feed the new mirror's wiring through the door frame opening. Secure the assembly with the three T30 Torx bolts. Reconnect all electrical harnesses and the door handle cable. Carefully reinstall the door panel, ensuring all clips and screws are secure. Attach the mirror motor, then the cap, and finally the mirror glass, remembering to connect the heating wires. Before you finish, test all mirror functions, including adjustment and heating, to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.